welcome back children. In the previous class we have learned how to subtract numbers by regrouping method, isn't it? So today we will do more story problems based on the subtraction and regrouping of subtraction. So shall we go and learn? Okay. Let us learn some more story sums in subtraction. Story sums. Now, problem 1. There are 74 flowers in a basket. Out of it, 36 flowers were taken away. How many flowers are left in the basket? So, how many flowers are there in the basket? 74. Out of it, how many were taken away? 36. So, flowers taken away is equal to 36. Now, how many flowers are there left in the basket? So, what we have to do? We have to subtract the numbers, isn't it? So, how many flowers are left? That is equal to 74 minus 36. Okay, now we will subtract and see 74 minus 36. First, let us place the numbers in the tens and ones column and write it in this way. Now, we have to subtract the ones column first. So, what is in the ones column? First number is 4. From 4, can you take away 6? No, isn't it? So, we have to regroup the number. So, from 7 tens, we will take away 1 10. Okay? So, how many tens are left away? 6. And now, the ones place will have 10 and 4, 14 ones. Now, subtract from 14, 6. Count backwards and you will get the answer as 8. And now from 6 tens, subtract 3 tens and you will get the answer as 38. So number of flowers left is equal to 38. Next now let us go to problem 2. There is a bookshelf. Okay. So there is a bookshelf with Malayalam books and English books. In this problem, there are 62 Malayalam books and 35 English books. How many less English books are there? We can see that the English books are less than the Malayalam books. So, we have to see how many books are less. Number of Malayalam books is equal to 62. Now, number of English books is equal to 35. Now, to know how many less English books are there, we have to subtract from 60 to 35. Okay. So, number of English books less is equal to 62 minus 35. Now, let us subtract the number. Writing it in columns, tens and ones, 62 minus 35. Now, first subtract the ones column. From 2, can you take away 5? No. So, what we have to do? We have to regroup the number. So, how to regroup the number? Take away 1 10 from tens place. There are 6 tens here and so you take away 1 10 and you have 5 tens left. And in ones place we have 12. 10 plus 2, 12. And 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. And 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So, you got the answer as 27. So, the number of English books less is equal to 27. Okay, children. Now let us go to the next problem. Problem 3. We have a set of balloons in a packet. There are blue and white balloons in the packet. So, there are 46 white balloons and 28 blue balloons. How many more white balloons are there in the packet? You can see that the white balloons are more, isn't it? So, we have to know how many balloons are more than the blue balloons. So, first we have to write number of white balloons is equal to 46 and number of blue balloons is equal to 28. Now, how many more white balloons? That is equal to 46 minus 28. 46 minus 28. So, let us subtract the number. Write it in columns 46 minus 28. Now, from 6, can you take away 8? No, again you have to regroup, isn't it? So take away one 10 from 4 tens and you will get as 3 tens there, and in ones place you will have 16 ones. So now 16 minus 8 is equal to 8 and 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So the number of white balloons more is equal to 18. So in this way we can do the story sum when you are asked to write how many more are there. Let us see the next problem. There is a tray of sweets here, and in that 18 are laddus. How many are not laddus? Now let us find it out. Okay. So number of sweets in the tray is how much? 47. And out of it how many are laddus? 18. So we have to see how many are not laddus. So to see that we have to subtract from 47 18. And let us see the answer by subtracting the number. 47 minus 18. Now again we can see that 7 is less than 8. So we have to regroup the number. So to regroup you have to take 1 10 from the tens place. There are 4 tens here, and if you take away 1 10, how many tens will be left? 3 tens. And in ones place we have now 10 plus 7, 17 ones. Now 17 minus 8 is equal to 9 and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So number of sweets that are not laddus is equal to 29. Okay, now let us go to the last type of problem. Is now there are 60 children in class 2A, and in that only 25 children went for an exhibition. So you have to know how many did not go for the exhibition. Now let us write number of children in a class is equal to 60. And how many children went to the exhibition? 25. And how many did not go? So we will find it out by subtracting. Number of children who did not go for the exhibition is equal to 60 minus 25. Now let us do the subtraction again. 60 minus 25. Now you can see that 0 is less than 5. Children, don't make any mistake while subtracting. Don't subtract from 5 0. You have to remember that the upper number, from the upper number you have to subtract 5. The upper number is 0. From 0 you cannot subtract 5. So you have to regroup the number and take away 1 10 from the tens place. Take it, and how many are left now? 5. And in the tens place we have 10 ones now. Now subtract from 10 5. You get it as 5. And from 5 you subtract 2. You get it as 3. Okay, so the answer is 35. So the number of children who did not go to the exhibition is equal to 35. So you have learned the different types of subtraction problems now, isn't it? So you should be very careful when doing the story sums. You should read the question properly and find the answer. Okay, children? Learn different types of story sums today, isn't it, children? So now you can do story problems on your own, isn't it? Remember, children, when story sums come, you have to read the question carefully 2 or 3 times. Then only you will understand the problem. Okay? So, see the YouTube video attached to the session. Do the problems which I have given, and also write down the notes which I have given. Okay? See you next time. Till then, goodbye.